Hey YouTube, how's it going today? I've been banging on Ole Red today trying to get it ready to come out. I got everything disconnected, so it's just sitting there, but it's starting to rain now. So I'm fixing to get rained out again, but flip this around. You can see I just went ahead and cut those hoses. I can get more hoses. The exhaust is cut off of it down there. I don't know if you can see. Not really. Maybe you can see on this side. Not really. There's too much shit in the way. But anyway, I got the cross member loose, motor mounts loose, and let's see what else we did today. I got the power steering, so pretty much it's hooking onto it and pulling it out of here. So since it is raining today, or at least starting to, I'm gonna shut it down for the day, and tomorrow I gotta go help somebody pull a hood on a car, and then I'll get back over here, and hopefully this thing will slide right out of here. I'm gonna take it, I'm gonna slide it and put it right into Copperhead. Just set it down in there, so it's a good place to sit. It's off the ground. And then flip this around. Then I'll get this off the motor stand, motor and transmission together, and stick it in Ole Red probably tomorrow evening. That's probably where I'll be. Might do a late live Saturday, or what would it be? Friday evening. Might do a late live out here. I ran a cable out here, so I should be able to hook up my laptop and my camera, have a live out here, and just for a little bit, not very long, maybe a half hour, 45 minutes, something like that. And I can kind of talk to everybody and see how answer everybody's questions about it. Alright, well, I'm going to go for now because I got more raindrops. Either that or there's a bunch of birds pissing on me. One of the two. Either way, I'm starting to get wet. So I'll catch y'all tomorrow. Later, guys.